Hi guys, Adam from Middles Panel Builders for our next installment of Tech Tip Tuesday. Today we're going to talk about reloading software on one of your G3X LRUs. This doesn't happen very often, but every once in a while we'll run into a problem where an LRU is not behaving properly, and a lot of times when that happens we can just reload the software on the unit, and then whatever the issue that we were having is will clear right up. So let me show you how to do that. Okay, so once again, we're going to use that reboot trick that we did on our first week, which is nearest menu and back, and then keep holding the menu button. Now we can see config mode, so we can let go. Okay, in config mode, what we're going to want to do is go to our system information page. And we've got different LRUs up here. We'll just pick one, we'll grab the audio panel, and what we can do is tap on System Software, press the menu key, and then there is a button that says Reload Software. So we can touch that, we can hit yes, and we can see now we are updating, it's transferring that file over CAN bus, the lights on the GMA turned off, so it's in software update mode, and then it will proceed through as normal. So once again, that's something that you can do if you're having an LRU that's doing something weird. There was a point in time, probably 2 or 3 years ago, where we had GSU-25s that there was some kind of bug that we had to do that pretty consistently. So that's when we picked up that trick. So if you ever run into something like that, hopefully this will help you. Next week, we're going to be at Oshkosh, and we'll do our Tech Tip Tuesday live from there. So stay tuned for that one. Thanks for watching.